That I've showed you all the long and hard ways to make a collapsible gasifier, let me show you how it works the very easiest. Right now, the rigidity of that square is completely being held together by one piece, and that's this screen. If I take that screen out of there, all you have to do is do that, and the gasifier folds completely flat. There's no need to take it apart. The only removable piece, which I'm actually going to end up hinging into it actually in the end here, so they actually hinge up, the whole thing will fold flat, and there it is. One unit, doesn't need anything else. So that's the simplest and the most effective way to create a gasifier that can fold down and be usable anywhere in a very large gasifying unit. Once again, there you go. It's all together. So all you have to do one last time is remove that screen from the inside, and bam, it goes flat. So there's your gasifier folder model. This is the simplest way I could come up with building it, the cheapest way. I was showing you the progressions as I got to this stage. One of the progressions I did enjoy and did like was the one that had the fold over tabs that squared each other off. So I think I'll keep something similar to that through it, but this will actually be the production model right here. Something that can go into any space nice and flat. There will also be a smaller one that's meant for your backpack. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, this is Mr. Teslonian and the Teslonian Man Show.